Hey, real quick, did you know that on July 1st of this year, a massive housing law quietly went into effect that could literally save many American seniors thousands of dollars? And I want to be clear, this is not some tiny tweak to an existing rule that affects 3 people in one county. This law passed with overwhelming bipartisan support because housing for older adults has reached a breaking point. It is a big deal, but here is what bothers me. The news covered it for about 48 hours, threw a bunch of legal language at everyone, and moved on. That means a lot of people who genuinely need this information, older homeowners, senior renters, people trying to downsize, and those trying to age in place safely, just missed it entirely. So today, here on Smart Retirement, we are going to fix that. I have gone through the actual legislation, pulled out everything that matters most for older adults, and I'm going to break it down in plain English with no jargon and no confusion. 5 big wins, what they mean for you, what steps to take, and a few things the law got wrong that you deserve to know about as well. Stay with me right to the end because by the time we finish, you will know exactly what you are entitled to and what steps to take this week. Before we get into the 5 wins, let me give you 30 seconds of context. The reason this law exists is that economists estimate a massive shortage of affordable housing across the country. That shortage is a huge reason why home prices have soared, why rents keep climbing, and why so many seniors feel completely stuck, either in homes that are too big and expensive to maintain, or in rentals where they feel powerless against large corporate landlords. This law is an attempt to attack that problem from multiple directions, building more homes, protecting renters, helping people age in place, and opening up downsizing options. It is not perfect, but it is serious legislation, and older adults have a lot to gain from it. Win number 1 is about home repairs and aging in place. Imagine you are 74 years old and have lived in your home for over 30 years. You raised your family there, you know every creak in the floorboards, and you want to stay. But the bathroom has become genuinely dangerous. The tub is slippery, there are no grab bars, and the steps need a solid railing. On a fixed retirement income, several $1,000s in home modifications might as well be $1 million. For too long, the only options were taking on debt, asking family, or leaving the home. Now there is a new framework establishing whole home repair programs. In plain English, these federally supported initiatives help qualifying low-income seniors make modifications that keep their homes safe and livable. We are talking about grab bars, entrance ramps, wider doorways for walkers, weatherization to lower heating bills, and fixing structural hazards. These are not cosmetic upgrades. They are the exact modifications that allow you to stay in your home independently and with dignity. To take action right now, reach out to your local area agency on aging or official senior housing support offices. They connect older adults with local repair grants and can help you get in line early. Win number 2 addresses a frustration I hear constantly from the smart retirement community: downsizing. You have a large home, the kids have been gone for years, and you want something smaller, easier to maintain, and cheaper to heat. But when you look for a smaller property in your area near your doctors and friends, there is simply nothing available in a reasonable price range. You feel stuck. This law directly targets that problem by creating financial and regulatory support for a wider variety of housing types. We are talking about accessory dwelling units, often called granny flats or in-law suites, as well as duplexes, townhouses, modular homes, and converting vacant commercial buildings into residential spaces. Accessory dwelling units create flexibility. If you own a property, you could build a small unit to live in while renting the main house for steady retirement income, or rent the smaller unit for extra cash flow. Furthermore, modern modular and manufactured homes offer energy-efficient, well-built, and affordable living options. By updating financing rules and lowering barriers for builders, this law aims to increase supply and lower costs for seniors looking to downsize. For realistic expectations, zoning reform and new construction take time, but the momentum is moving in the right direction. If you plan to downsize over the next few years, consider speaking with a certified, government-approved housing counselor to evaluate your local options and financial picture. Win number 3 is for senior renters. Many older adults feel completely powerless, especially when their rental building is bought by an institutional real estate firm. Maintenance requests go unanswered, unexpected fees appear, and you are left dealing with distant management companies instead of a local landlord. Under the new regulations, large corporate landlords that manage extensive rental portfolios will face stricter oversight and formal tenant complaint resources. This gives senior renters a recognized pathway to report unfair treatment and hold large management companies accountable. Additionally, the law focuses on preserving public and affordable rental properties so they are not lost to private redevelopers. Improvements are also being made to housing voucher programs, making it easier for seniors to use vouchers across a wider range of properties. One very practical detail includes testing temperature sensors in subsidized housing to prevent dangerous heat or cold levels, protecting vulnerable older residents. Keep in mind that protections are strongest in government-assisted housing, so if you are in a private rental, it remains vital to understand your local, provincial, or state tenant rights and document all communications in writing. Win number 4 addresses something that affects both seniors wanting to move and their adult children or grandchildren trying to buy a home, corporate property buyers. Over recent years, large investment funds have purchased thousands of single-family homes, converting them into rentals and driving up prices for everyday buyers. The new law introduces restrictions on large institutional groups controlling vast numbers of single-family properties, limiting their ability to continually buy up affordable housing stock. While this is a step in the right direction, housing advocates note that implementation timelines give large firms a window before restrictions take full effect, and existing corporate portfolios are not forced to be sold. However, slowing down institutional buying helps rebalance the market over time, reducing corporate competition for lower-priced homes and giving individual buyers, including seniors, downsizing, and first-time buyers, a fair chance. Win number 5 brings everything together by expanding support for lower-cost housing and practical financial tools. First, it addresses small-dollar mortgages. Many lenders ignore mortgages under $100,000 because they yield lower fees, leaving seniors who want to buy affordable homes without financing. The new framework encourages pilot programs for small-dollar loans, helping older adults secure financing for lower-priced properties. Second, it provides infrastructure and preservation support for manufactured home communities, protecting residents from sudden park closures or unreasonable rent hikes. Most importantly, Win number 5 significantly expands funding for official, approved housing, counseling tailored for older adults. Certified housing counselors provide free or low-cost guidance to help you navigate repair programs, downsizing options, tenant rights, and small mortgage availability. You can find local counselors through government housing portals or by contacting your local senior support services. These are real professionals dedicated to helping you make informed decisions. To summarize, this major housing legislation offers 5 core wins for older adults: home repair grants for aging in place, expanded downsizing options, stronger protections for senior renters, restrictions on corporate home buying, and expanded access to small mortgages and free housing counseling. The seniors who benefit most will be those who stay informed and take action. Reach out to your local senior agencies, talk to a housing counselor, and share this information with friends and family who need it. If this breakdown helped you, hit the subscribe button and join us here at Smart Retirement. We break down the complex rules, laws, and benefits affecting your money in plain English so you can make smart decisions. Leave a comment below telling me which of these 5 wins matters most to your retirement plan, and check out our other videos for more hidden senior benefits you might be missing. Thank you for watching, take care, and I will see you in the next video.